Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to develop your first mobile app. In just 2 minutes, you'll be on your way to creating your own app. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your platform. Before we begin, decide whether you want to develop for iOS or Android. Each has its own tools and languages. For example, Xcode, Swift, and Objective-C for iOS development, while Android use tools such as Android Studio, Java, and Kotlin. Step 2. Learn the basics. Learn the fundamentals of programming. Start with languages like Swift or Kotlin. Websites like Code Academy can help. Step 3. Install development software. Download Android Studio for Android or Xcode for iOS. These tools are essential for app development. Step 4. Design your app. Sketch your app's layout on paper or use software like Adobe XD. Plan how it will look and function. Step 5. Code your app. Write code based on your design. Break tasks into smaller steps to make them manageable. Step 6. Test your app. Test your app on emulators or real devices to ensure it works as intended. Step 7. Debug and refine. Fix any issues you encounter during testing and improve your app's design. Step 8. Publish your app. Follow platform-specific guidelines to publish your app to the App Store or Google Play. Now, congratulations! You've created your first app. Share it with friends, family, and the world. If you need help designing and developing your app, you can rely on WebUrban to turn your app ideas into real, usable solutions. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for joining us. Happy coding!